the pie graph tool. So we're going to take a look at that now. So you can see we draw it and it's like a square, and you're going to get this black shape. So what we're going to do is we're going to do like various different fields. It's just like a spreadsheet or something like that. So we'll do various different fields. Okay, that's probably enough. And then we can hit the check mark, and you're going to get a bunch of grayscale stuff. If you wanted to change the color, which you probably do, you can see I've gone for this high contrast 3-1. So we can go for the direct selection tool, and we're going to change that to this. Okay, so from there you can see we've got our pie chart. You can see we've got all the different sections. How should we deal with it? Well, we could do the stroke. We could change that just to make the lines a little bit thicker in there, maybe like 4 points. Okay, so the other thing is we could go to our circle tool. We're going to hold down Shift and Alt, and let's see if we can find this spot. We're going to drag that out. There we go. And then what we could do is we could just press this button to remove the fill, and we could change that to a little bit bigger, maybe 10. Maybe we could go for one of these effects, like a distort one. So you can go, most of them I think would work. So we can do very low size on it, but like a high amount of ridges per segment. So thanks for watching.